Hey guys, so I have not made a video since December, and I think you get it by now why I don't make videos often. It's because I stutter a lot when I make these videos, and eventually I stutter way too much in a video. I eventually restart it and try my best not to stutter. And yeah. Anyway, let's get straight to the point. So, a few days ago, we had a big snowstorm. It was very windy too. Don't worry, I'm okay. Don't worry. But it did break a lot of trees. This is one of them. Broke up there. Hold on. Sorry, branches in the way. You can see it right there. Failed, broke. So yeah. That tree right there, that's actually not broke. Well, it's technically broken. But we cut it last year because it was way too close to the house. Yeah, this right here. This is where we cut the tree last year because it was way too close to the house. It was a huge tree too. So yeah, a lot of tree branches broke. Ow, sorry, almost fell. This is my chickens. So the chicken coop, the top of it, that actually collapsed, but we fixed it. And the chickens are okay. That's my rooster right there. They're adorable. Anyway, let's go to other part of my house. It's right over here. You can see branches and tree parts. I just stepped in mud. Anyway, over there is actually a root of a tree. I don't know if you can see it, but it was a huge tree. It fell right on top of my uncle's tractor, sorry. We moved it and we cut it. And yeah, there's another one way over there, like way over there. But you can't see it because, it's far away, obviously. And my dad already moved it and cut it. So, yeah. So, yeah, this is the storm aftermath. So, yeah. I'll see you guys next time.